and you like their example on the field and also off the field, and these are your kids, who would you tell them to watch?
Jesus.
Well, welcome to the Evangelical Eddie channel. So it is Sunday, it is September 24th, and Deion Sanders has been in the news. He's been coaching the Colorado University from Boulder this year. They had an amazing start, and they got pummeled yesterday by Oregon, 42-6, I believe. So all the brash talking by Deion Sanders, he's going to pay for that. That's what happens in that world. But tell you what, I came across this clip this morning, and it kind of reminded me that no matter what you're going through, your highs, your lows, successes, and failures in life, stick to Jesus. And it looks like Deion is doing that. He said this. This was a clip from earlier this year in an interview. Just wanted to share it because I find it inspiring that someone with all his fame and money and all that stuff can still bring it back to what it's really all about, and that is Jesus. And if you have your foundation in Him, then whatever else happens in life is really immaterial. It's Jesus who needs to be your foundation, your rock. So check this out.
That's player. A great recruiter, I hear.
Yeah, but see, oftentimes you got to understand those things that you see, those things that you clap for, those things that you cheer for, those things that you idolize, they're not role models, they're models playing a role. You don't know who they are, you just saw them doing what they're gifted and blessed to do for 2 hours of the day. Could you imagine if the world got an opportunity to see you at your best for 2 hours a day, how your profile would just be enhanced, everything would be wonderful, everything would be so different, because we're showing you for 2 hours doing what you're gifted to do. But what happens to the other 22? See, that's where the problem occurs. That's where the trappings of life occurs. And so oftentimes we do fall into those trappings. I would advise you to be that role model for your child, for your friend, for your homies, for that person that looks up to you and looks out for you. You need to be that person. The role model should be somebody you can touch.
You know, when did that change for you? Because, we all seen you with the chains, the jewelry.
That was
When did it
image.
shift?
That was image.
Okay.
Something you could imagine. That was not me. See, I'm a marketer. I market, and I'm pretty darn good at it. You should clap for me right there. Because I'm about to tell you a few things that you're not going to believe. I created that persona. I stopped using profanity in 1986. No, I'm not done with telling you about Prime. I'm in the third person now. I've never been high a day of my life. Hold on, I'm not done. I've never smoked or sipped a taste of alcohol, wine, or anything in my entire life. So all the stupid and the foolish and the idiotic things out there that I did, I just did that, all right? I was not under the influence, but that was really me, all right?
Like their example on the field and also off the field, and these are your kids, who would you tell them to watch?
Jesus.
That's player.